Let us consider a coin. It has got two faces. One is, that is, tail. This is called tail with number. Another is head. So this is head. Or you will follow. So you have only two chances. One is head, another is tail. Okay. So this can be represented by, as far as coin is concerned, we have two chances on tossing. One is head, another is tail. Okay. Suppose there is a general formula for this. If you use one coin, the formula is 2 power n, where n is equal to 1 for single coin. So for single coin, so what could be the chance? 2 power 1, that is head or tail. These are the total sample space elements. So what is the number of sample space elements here? The number of sample space element is equal to 2. Let me consider the two different events. E1 is equal to taking head alone. E2 is equal to taking tail alone. Are you will follow? So in that case, what is the probability of taking head, that is E1 only, is equal to the number of head divided by sample space element. Here we have got only one coin, so one time it is tossed. Therefore 2 and this is 1. So 1 by 2. Similarly for tail also 1 by 2. So suppose if you have got two coins, this is one coin. Two coins. Two coins means n is equal to 2, is it not? So 2 power 2. So you will have 4 different patterns. Okay. So what can be, for example, head, this is one set. Tail, this is another. Head, tail, or first coin will be tail, second coin will be head, like that. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. So what is the total space elements? The number of S is equal to here 4. Now what is the probability of getting HH? Okay. So what are the desired events here? This is desired event E1. This is E2. And these two together as E3 also. Okay. Now what is the probability of getting E1? So HH means it is only one time. So number of E1 divided by number of sample space element. Number of E1 is only 1 divided by sample space elements is 4. So the probability is 1 by 4. Got it? Take down. Similarly, you have, I want to have head and tail combination. So there are two chances, is it not? So E3 is what? E3 is two sets. One is first coil will be head, second coil can be tail. First coil can be tail, second coil can be head. So in this way we have two chances, is it not? So the number of E3 is equal to how much? 2. So therefore the probability of E3, that is getting the combination of head and tail, is equal to what? That is 2 divided by 4. Again 1 by 2. Get it? Then suppose if there are 3 coins, if we toss 3 coins together, 3 coins. So what is the formula? 2 power 3, that is 8. Now how we can arrive at? You can put like this, that is head, 3 coins means 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3, and you can have 4 also. So if it is 3, you can have 4 by 4 columns. Okay. Now let us put a star mark here. Now let me put head here. Okay. And this is tail. right? So it means head, tail, one combination, and then head, tail, another combination, okay, and then head, tail, another combination. I'm sorry, that is coin 1, coin 2, is it not? So I cannot have this one. Instead, we have a different one. Suppose if it is 3 coins, so 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. Okay, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 means 3 coin together. So it means head, first coin, second coin will also be head, third coin will also be head, like this. Another set is what? Tail, tail, tail. Okay. Next set is 2 head, 1 tail. Okay. Similarly, first one head, second one tail, third one head. Okay. And first one tail, second one head, second one head, like this. Okay. And let us have, that is 1 head, 2 tail. Okay. 1 head, 2 tail, right? So in that case, first coin head, second coin, third coin TT. First coin tail, second coin head, third coin tail. Okay. And what about this one? First coin, how much? That is, this is T. Okay. So what could be the next one? The T can be pushed here, is it not? T, T, head. Are you able to follow? So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all the chances. Got it? So in that case, what is the total space element? The number of sample space element in the case of 3 coins is 8. Now what is the probability of getting HHH? So probability, let us define various events. Let me say E1 is equal to getting all H. Okay, all H. So this is the event. So it is only one chance. Okay, so only one time. So number of E1 is equal to 1. And sample space element is this much and 8 number of S. So probability of E1 is equal to how much? Number of E1 divided by number of S. So that is equal to 1 divided by 8. Are you able to follow? Let me define. What is the probability of getting 2 tails? We have even in 3, that is strictly 2 tails. Let me say strictly 2 tails. So 2 tails means how many? For example, here I have 2 tails, here I have 2 tails, here I have 2 tails, totally 3. So the number of E2 is defined as, you should be able to define that one. That is 2 tails means first coin, second coin, tail and head. Second one is first coil, third coil will be, and the first coin head, second coin tail, third coin tail. Okay, likewise. So there are 3 chances. So probability of E2 is equal to what? Strictly having 2 tails means 3 divided by 8. This is the probability. Okay, so regarding what? Getting 2 tails strictly. Okay, so likewise we can have different combinations also. For example, let me say, when I say exactly 1 tail means you have to consider only 1. Exactly 3 heads means we have to consider only head. Okay, at least 1 tail means you have to take the least one. Okay, almost a 2 tail means you have to take the 2 tails. Okay, so the next one is dice. Based on the die, in a die, okay, you have, it will be in a cubical form, right? it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first phase, you will have 1 point. Second phase, you have 2 points. Third case, you have 3 points like this. Fourth one will have like this. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and fifth one will be, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, at the center 5. 6 will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So totally 6. Right? So likewise, now let me throw a dice. It means you have one chance. We have got only one. So one dice means 6 power n, where n is equal to 1. So it means sample space element is equal to 6. Suppose if n is equal to 2, means that is 6 power 2. That is, you will get 36 sample space elements. Okay, if you throw 2 dice. Let me say this is throwing one time, n is equal to 1. In this case, probability of getting 3, how much? You have got only 1 3. So 3 divided by 6. And what is the probability of getting 4? That is, probability of getting 3 means 1 by 6. That is 1 time. You cannot put 3 here. Probability of getting 4 means 1 by 6. Okay, and probability of getting 6 means, probability of getting 6 will be, number of 6 will be 1 divided by 6. Probability of getting even numbers. What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6. So in that case 3. So probability of getting even number, let me define even as even number. Okay, so in that case 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So likewise, you should be able to give the probability based on the dice. And what about the number of dice? If the number of dice is 2, then the sample space elements will be 6. Okay, so that is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, etc. Okay, and here you will have doublets, then prime doublets, odd doublets, even doublets, and a total of 8, and a sum of 5, then at least total 5, almost sum of 5. Likewise, you have different combinations. Okay, so the doublets means, that is, both of them should have the same number if you throw 2 coins. Okay, so we'll discuss about that aspect later.